how to make and create a business t-shirt design on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to canva.com and log into your account. Now click on create a design here in the top and search for t-shirt. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now go right here and scroll down, or you can go to the search and search for business. Click enter and choose any template you want from here. For example, this one. You can change the logo if you want and add your company logo or whatever you want, and you can also change the text. Very easy, as you can see. It looks so professional also. And after you finish editing, all what you have to do is just go to the top here, click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.